Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the wiring kit in Subnautica below zero. First of all, you're gonna need to gather silver ore, which can be acquired from these sources and from these biomes. So I'm going to gather it from the Argentite outcrop, which has a 60% chance of dropping silver and 40% chance to dropping titanium. As you can see, I got silver ore, and I need one more.
Warning. 30 seconds.
And I got the second silver ore. Now I can go back to the fabricator and make the wiring kit. Once I'm back in the base, go ahead and use the fabricator, go to electronics, and click on wiring kit. This is especially useful if you want to craft some other type of tools, or a compass, or to progress further in the game. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.